Welcome to my physical therapy clinic. My name is Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist. And today we're going to be talking about the HEYCHY Mini. Now, I've got all the HEYCHY devices. I use these in my physical therapy clinic every day. We've got the HEYCHY compression boots. We've got the Mini X1, which literally 5 or 6 times a day I'm using this little device. This thing's brilliant. It's awesome. We've got the new HEYCHY Pro. Now, this is the one that comes with the titanium head. So if you guys are looking for something really solid, the titanium head does amazing. It also comes with the heating element. But today, we're going to talk about, and specifically unbox, I've been waiting for this. This is the HEYCHY Mini Massager. The thing that I love, my patients want massage and my patients want heat. I treat patients mainly after total knee replacement surgery, but I treat patients that have neck and shoulder problems. I treat patients that have balance disorders, conditions like Parkinson's. We are an outpatient orthopedic practice and we treat just about everything. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. This is the first time I'm opening and unboxing the Cute X, and I'm mainly looking at this because I believe this is the most affordable mini massager with heat. I don't care so much about the cold therapy. The cold therapy for the right person at the right time is awesome, but I've never met somebody who doesn't like the sensation of massage mixed with heat. So just like with the X1, the X comes with 4 attachments. See if we can get you guys in here. You've got the standard kind of bullet attachment. That's for real targeted areas. You've got the massage ball. That's for more kind of muscle belly. You've got the U-shaped attachment that can go up and down along the sides of the spine, so you're not going on the spinous process. But this is what I want. This is the beauty right here. This is the heating element. The gun usually comes fully charged. Now, if you want to compare, I'm going to screw this in. I'm going to take the little cover off. All right, so you got a smooth plastic surface that's going to heat up. If we're going to compare the two devices, we've got the X1 and the X. Certainly you can see the X is bigger, beefier, a little more heft to it. But with the heating element, I'm absolutely happy to do this. And this totally will fit in a purse, in a gym bag, in anything that you want to use to carry. We have a ton of physical therapy patients that love to travel. They go overseas. And what happens is they want to take this with them on the plane. They want to take it with them on the cruise. And it does amazing. All right, so let's see all your standard stuff. You've got your power button on the bottom. I'm going to push and hold it. We're waiting. Now the massage head is going. I don't know if you guys can see the little red lights. That's going to provide the heating element. We've got the charger, standard charger, plugs right in there. Of course, it comes with the charger, charging cable, I should say. So in the packaging, you get the charging cable, you get the little wrist strap. The wrist strap hooks right in there on the bottom of the actual device itself. You get your little user's manual that comes with every HEYCHY massage gun. Oh man. But like I said, the main thing that we're looking for with this particular model is the heating element. So right now I'm in Southwest Ohio, just outside of, well, I can't really say. I don't want to violate any terms of service, but what we're doing is a lot of times when I'm treating a patient for kind of cervicogenic headaches, upper trap tightness, soreness, whether they're athletes, whether they just had a rotator cuff repair, whatever the situation. We're looking at loosening up some of these targeted tissues. The muscle right on top here that I'm working on right now, it's called the levator scapulae. It runs from the top of the shoulder blade right up into the base of the skull. And so using the heating element right on the skin itself kind of activates that muscle to relax. The compression, the percussion, and the heating all work together to kind of relax that muscle. From a practical perspective, I'm wearing a sweatshirt. It's a hoodie sweatshirt right now. If I put this over the cloth of the sweatshirt, I can feel a little bit of warmth, but it's certainly not anything that's uncomfortable or unbearable. If I go straight on the skin itself, now it feels amazing.